Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to get the free DeepSeek version Flash and GLM model inside Cline CLI. Cline CLI, if you don't know, it's a very popular AI coding platform. It's also having VSCode extension, also having CLI extension as well. So if you directly type Cline CLI, they are running at this offer right here by providing these models for totally free. So if you haven't installed Cline CLI, it's very simple. Go to the website, directly install this by npm i-g clean. This will directly globally install Cline inside your system. As you can see, I've already installed it. So once you install this by executing this command npm i-g clean, so execute this command. After that, the very first step you need to do, simply execute this command clean authentication. So this will authenticate your account. It will redirect the browser and you will get this option sign in with Cline. So they actually release promos and you will automatically be redirected for the authentication and it automatically open the browser. So you need to confirm and your authorization will be done. So now as you can see in the free model we have DeepSeek version 4 Flash, and at this moment of time GLM free trial just recently ended, just 2 hours back. So they also was providing GLM for totally free as well. So at this moment we can use DeepSeek version 4 Flash and you are all set. Simply type to activate CLINE. So just activate this. So as you can see, we are using DeepSeek version 4 Flash, which is the latest model which is released by DeepSeek. So I simply type hi message, and as you will see, it will respond to me. Hi there, I'm Clint, your AI coding assistant. So I can ask any kind of question here. Top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So it will research the internet, and the best thing about Cline as a coding assistant, it's very fast as compared to other AI coding assistants. That is Cursor, we have Claude Code, Codex. So the speed is very fast. As you can see, it is actually researching the internet and giving me the top 10 frameworks. And let me just build out something. Let me build out a full stack React application and show this DeepSeek version flow Flash model is really fast. So let's suppose we build out a React to image to PDF app in browser. Create all the files in the directory. So I simply written a prompt here, build a React.js image to PDF application. So now what you will see, it is actually running the commands automatically in the background. And first of all, it will create the directory and create the React.js application, install the dependencies automatically. So you can see that it's first of all generating a description, and based upon that it will create the application for you. So at this moment of time here, this model is totally free. As you can see, it is consuming the tokens and it's really fast as well. And it is laid out the structure, the planning, everything, and then it will start creating the application. So this demo, this offer will be ending in 3 days to 4 days. So definitely don't waste time. Install Cline and start preparing your coding applications because they are offering this DeepSeek GLM model for totally free. So configuration is quite simple. You install this, simply create an account on Cline. You can log in with your Google account. So as you see on the left hand side, it created all the files for us. This is your source directory it created. This is, so the speed is really fast guys. As you can see, it doesn't take too much time in generating a full stack React application. So this is your package.json file here. Everything is generated in a snap of a second. You also have read config package json main.jsx. So once it completes, you will get a notification that the application is completed. Apart from that, you can even install VS Code extension if you're using VS Code. Go to extensions tab and you will see this extension Cline. It's having 5 million installs. So it's a really good extension. If you don't want to use CLI, you can install this extension. And if you go to the configuration right section, in the model section, you will see that from this you can select DeepSeek, DeepSeek version 4 Flash. As you can see right here, you don't need to paste API key, simply select API provider and click on done. And as soon as you do this, simply send out a request. We have various modes here: plan mode, act mode. So in the background, as you can see, it is creating all the files, the components files. So it created all the files here for us for the application. It also created a utils folder as well. So in a matter of seconds, guys, it created a full stack coding image to PDF application using this DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So if you're looking forward for a free unlimited alternative, this will be the thing that I will recommend you. The CLI is quite good as compared to extension because the VS Code extension takes a lot of time. So CLI I will highly recommend. Simply install the CLI. So if you see right here, it is running the project here as well. It is running the command here. After creating this full project here, it will run the application directly in the browser. So you can see that it's creating all the files here automatically for us. It has two modes, the act mode, which is creating the applications, and also it has a plan mode as well. So as you see, all files are created. You will see it will create a git ignore file, readme file as well. So it created a actual production ready application where you can simply deploy the application. So if you have an existing application, you can even track down the errors or make on top of the application that your existing application have. So you'll see it also created readme git ignore file, everything for you. So it's fully automated. You don't need to do anything. Simply type the prompt and all the things will be created by this Cline CLI. So definitely use it at this moment because it is totally free. The DeepSeek version 4 Flash model. As you see, it consumed all these tokens. The cost is zero. So as you can see, it created a fully fledged application with all the files. So once it completes, it will run the application as well. So dependencies are installed. Let me run the production build to validate everything compiles correctly. So now it will run the application for you. So you can see it is executing all the commands, also fixing mistakes. If any mistake happens, it automatically will fix it. You don't need to do anything. And definitely check this out, guys. Clean CLI. I showed you the full configuration how to install this and use this DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and